people, let's fix our eyes sa screen while Miss Ishi is conducting her digital art demo. So Miss Ishihara is a 22-year-old student at FC Saikon Art Gallery, studying under the guidance of art teacher Frank Saikon to further develop her artistic abilities. Diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder at the age of 2, Ishihara Jasmine Monica has consistently demonstrated a keen interest in the arts, particularly in drawing and painting. Art has served as a powerful medium for her to express and communicate her emotions. She successfully completed her 12th grade in ICT at the Philippine Women's University, JESMS, earning medals of excellence throughout her grade school years. So let us be amazed as Ishihara showcases her techniques through the form of digital art. As you can see po, Miss Ishihara's techniques, she's drawing po her art demo by using her mouse lang po. So, mahirap po siya, no? Dahil yung iba natin digital artist ay gumagamit ng digital pen. Pero si Miss Ishi, ginagamit niya lang po yung kanyang mouse. For those who don't know, Miss Ishihara is the granddaughter of our national artist, Mala. Miss Ishi is showcasing her talent and highlighting that art is a powerful means for individuals to communicate and connect through the universal language of visual expression.
Hindi pa yung highlight. Pakita mo yung highlight. Yung highlight.
Ayan. So, palakpakan naman po natin si Miss Ishihara Jasmine Moika. Again, if you want to check out her art, meron po siyang mga works sa likod ng ating lobby. So, may entrance po, actually. And then, meron din po siyang mga merchandise na yung kanyang mga art ay nasa printed ink the t-shirt.
Pakita mo, malaki.
So, follow po natin yung kanyang
Malaki,
page,
Sige.
Ishihara's Creation. So,
Yeah.
pakita lang po natin yung kanyang final work. Yan. So again, let's give it up for Miss Ishihara Jasmine Mojica. So palakpakan naman po natin si Miss Ishi. Yan. Thank you so much, Miss Ishi.